Hey, I'm Ben. I'm a programmer at Clever Endeavour Games. I'm working on the next update for Ultimate Chicken Horse. For this new update, one of the things we wanted to do was add more customization options to the game. So for instance, one of the things you can already do right now is turn items on or off before you start the game. And so what we did is we now allow you to change the probabilities of each block. So for instance, if you want a lot of black holes or a lot of coins or specific platforms, you can now set that and tune it how you want. And there's a number of other changes that we're making to the customization, but I can't disclose everything just yet. Adding more customization means that we also add a lot of complexity to our menus. So if you're familiar with our menu, you know it's a book, which as we updated the game has had more and more pages added to it. And so over time, we've had to kind of rethink how we change things. Obviously, the more you add, the more complex it gets, and it can get a little cumbersome. But at the same time, we kind of like the system that we have with the multiplayer cursors all interacting at the same time with the book. So we got this idea to make some changes that are going to make things more convenient. The fact that the UI is split between all these pages means that there's a lot of side effects. Like you could change an option on one page and that's going to change something on another page that you can't see. So what we decided to do was to take those menus out of the book and bring them into a new part of the UI, which is going to be a tablet. So the animals won't be using a book anymore, they'll be using a tablet, like we're upgrading them technologically. Yeah, so it's nice that we get to redesign this UI because we get to go back and look at a lot of problems that we used to have but never really got around to fixing. And now, you know, being able to redesign it all together means that we get to create an experience that's more streamlined and that addresses a lot of the problems that we saw over time but couldn't fix. The kind of problems we would have is that the book just became too big. It used to be a simple pause menu. It had one page, then a couple other pages for options, and that was about it. But now it's growing as we add blocks, as we add more customization options. We're looking at possibly 10 pages worth of customization within this book that was supposed to stay relatively small. So we have to think of new ways to organize all that data. I hope you guys will enjoy that new UI when it comes out. Thanks for watching and see you next week.